Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to get live traffic updates on your iPhone using Google Maps. You've been trundling along the road quite nicely and then all of a sudden you get to a traffic jam and you want to know how long it's going to last. Now, you might have a Sat Nav, but it might not have live traffic information. Now bear in mind this will only work if you've got mobile data on and roaming. So if you go into settings, mobile data, make sure that your mobile data options are set to roaming on, otherwise this won't work. Then go into Google Maps while you're sitting in your car or van, and this will show you exactly where you are in your vehicle. And if you use your fingers on the screen to pinch in and out, you can zoom right in. And at the top left hand corner of the screen you get a scale so you know how many miles it is. And looking at the scale above, this traffic jam is going to last for about another mile because it ends right here. So not too bad, there's no point in turning off, we might as well stay on this road. So we're not completely stopped, we're moving along at a steady pace, about 15 miles an hour. You can keep looking at your Google Maps. This is a bit further along. And that is where the end of the traffic jam is, so not long now. And this is 5 minutes later and we've got through the traffic jam. And if you look on Google Maps, we're way past the traffic jam and we are on our way home, ready to get the kettle on and have a lovely cup of tea. You can of course use your iPhone Google Maps as a live satellite navigation system, but bear in mind it will use your mobile data. So if you're on a limited data plan, it could cost you a lot of money. And I hope you found that useful.